Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best small travel trailer accessories that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're embarking on a weekend camping trip or a cross-country adventure, these products will elevate your travel trailer experience. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the RV Stabilizer Jacks Set of 4 by Discount Parts Direct. These aluminum stabilizer jacks are designed specifically for travel trailers and RVs, offering robust support with a load capacity of up to 7,500 pounds. The adjustable height range of 11 to 17 inches ensures precise leveling on uneven ground, making them a versatile option for various terrains. The inclusion of rubber cushion pads helps reduce noise and protects your RV chassis, while the ergonomic T-handle allows for quick, effortless adjustments. In terms of build quality, the corrosion-resistant aluminum construction ensures longevity and durability, even in harsh weather conditions. The design is compact and easy to install, making these jacks a reliable companion for both seasonal and everyday use. However, it's worth noting that these jacks are meant for stabilization and not for lifting heavy loads, so you may need additional wooden or concrete blocks for optimal use. While the product lacks a definitive price at the moment, its strong support capabilities make it an ideal choice for RV owners seeking stability and safety during setup. The downside here is the lack of availability of detailed pricing information, which might make it harder to assess the value proposition. But overall, if you're looking for durable stabilizer jacks that are easy to install and deliver reliable performance, this set is worth considering. At number 4, we have the RYB Home RV Camper Door Window Curtains. These blackout privacy curtains are perfect for anyone looking to enhance their travel trailer's aesthetics while maintaining functionality. Sold as a set of 2 panels, each curtain measures 34 inches wide by 24 inches long with a 3-inch rod pocket top that fits most standard rods. Made of 100% polyester, these curtains block 85 to 95% of sunlight and UV rays, making them ideal for privacy and undisturbed sleep. The design is modern yet versatile, suitable for various rooms in your trailer, including the bathroom, bedroom, or kitchen. The thermal properties help regulate temperature, keeping your trailer cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Maintenance is a breeze, as they are machine washable and easy to care for. The curtains also come in a neutral gray color, ensuring they match most interior designs effortlessly. On the downside, these curtains are unlined and not water-resistant, which could limit their usage in certain areas. Additionally, the price isn't available, making it difficult to gauge their value compared to similar options. However, with an impressive customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars and over 28,000 reviews, these curtains are a proven choice for enhancing privacy and comfort in your travel trailer. At number 3, we have the Thanstar Collapsible Dish Drying Rack, a must-have accessory for organized kitchen storage in your RV or travel trailer. Made from eco-friendly, BPA-free, food-grade materials, this dish rack collapses flat for easy storage, making it perfect for compact spaces. It features a built-in utensil drying rack and separate compartments for plates, cups, and cutlery, ensuring everything stays organized and safe from scratches. The collapsible design makes it incredibly portable, ideal for both indoor and outdoor use during camping trips, barbecues, or boat outings. Its bottom swivel drain strip ensures water flows directly into the sink, keeping countertops clean and dry. The heavy-duty plastic construction is easy to clean and resistant to rust, providing a long-lasting addition to your travel trailer. On the downside, the rack's weight limit of 13 kilograms might not accommodate heavier dishware, and the price isn't listed, which could make it harder to compare against competitors. However, with its compact design and versatility, this dish drying rack is well suited for RV owners who value space-saving solutions and efficient kitchen organization. Taking the number 2 spot is the electric tongue jack cover by Bouge RV, a budget-friendly option priced at just $12.42. Constructed from durable 600D waterproof Oxford fabric, This cover is designed to protect your electric tongue jack from rain, UV rays, and other harsh elements. It features an adjustable drawstring with a barrel cord lock on both sides, ensuring a snug fit for most electric tongue jacks. With dimensions of 14 inches high, 5 inches wide, and 10 inches deep, it's compatible with a variety of jack sizes. The design prioritizes functionality with PU weather strips sewn into the internal seams for added waterproofing. The cover also resists fading, ensuring it maintains its sleek black appearance over time. This is an essential accessory to keep your tongue jack dry and protect its casing, switches, and light from wear and tear. While the cover is highly affordable, it's important to note that it doesn't offer universal compatibility, so you'll need to measure your jack before purchasing. Additionally, it's not suitable for manual jacks or non-standard sizes. However, with its high customer rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars and over 17,000 reviews, this cover is a reliable and cost-effective solution for RV owners on a budget. Finally, at number 1, we have the TimeMate TM2 RV Tire Pressure Monitoring System, a premium option priced at $67.99. This advanced TPMS provides real-time monitoring of tire pressure and temperature, enhancing safety during long trips. Equipped with 4 precision external sensors, the system detects fast leaks, high-low pressure, and high temperatures, and includes 6 alarm modes for comprehensive coverage. The solar-powered display ensures continuous operation, even in sunlight-deprived environments, and can also be charged via USB or cigarette lighter socket. Its vibrant color LCD display and adaptive backlighting make it easy to read in varying light conditions, while the sensors are waterproof, lightweight, and durable. With a pressure range detection of 0 to 87 psi, this system is compatible with a wide array of vehicles, including RVs, trailers, SUVs, and trucks. One downside is its higher price point, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, for trailers exceeding 36 feet in length, a repeater is recommended for optimal signal transmission, adding to the overall cost. However, with its robust features, reliability, and ease of use, the TimeMate TM2 is an indispensable tool for RV owners seeking peace of mind on the road. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.